Kavya, how much time will you take to get ready? Amma's already ready with the ingredients. Come quick, otherwise she won't teach us how to make a kolam rangoli. Why do you keep shouting at me? I'm all ready. Wow, Amma, this looks amazing.
Thank you, beta. Your appa helped me in the morning.
Amma, I also wanted to help. Why didn't you wake me up in the morning?
That's okay. I'll teach you how to make kolam rangoli now. Okay?
I will help too.
Of course.
What is in your hand?
This is some rice flour in a coconut shell. See?
Mama, will we make a kolam rangoli using this?
Of course. Come, let's start. So children, we always clean the surface before drawing kolam, and I have just cleaned it. So, let's start to make the rangoli now. First, we'll make a grid of dots. This grid is going to be the foundation of our kolam. I've put 4 dots in one row, and I'll follow this for 4 rows. Remember to space them out evenly. So how many dots do I have in total?
16.
Very good. Now I'm going to join these dots by pulleys or squares and make beautiful designs. You just need to make sure you make the lines smooth and straight. See? What a lovely design is coming up by using something as simple as dots and creating patterns.
Amma, I did not know something so simple could turn out to be so beautiful.
Of course, Prabhu. See? How's it coming out?
It's looking so beautiful, Amma.
I learnt making all of this from your party.
Even Patty knows how to make kolam rangoli.
Of course, all of us make this every day. See? One design is ready.
It's so pretty, Amma. You're an expert in making kolam rangoli.
Thank you. Now I'll teach you another simple one. We can also use even numbers for using 2 dots or 4 dots. Let me show you one with 4 dots. Remember to keep them even and space them out evenly. Now join them using straight lines, and we can expand the rangoli by putting 4 more dots. And joining them with a little circle as well. You see how shapes are coming into play? That's your another column.
It's so simple and sweet.
So you saw we created such a beautiful design.
Amma, I can't believe with just 4 even dots, you can create something so beautiful.
Yes.
Amma, I just realized that in Atta's house there was a wallpaper with many triangles on it. Is that also a pattern? See, the design on the wallpaper is not a pattern as there was no repetition.
Yes. The triangles had a repetition, but the repetition was not regular.
Okay, now I understand. All patterns are designs,
But
but
all designs are not patterns.
Very good, bachcho.
Amma, now I have understood that even numbers can create such beautiful patterns.
Of course, because it's balanced and symmetrical.
But Amma, what if we make a kolam rangoli with the odd numbers?
It will look even more beautiful and stand out.
Amma, I have realized that in flowers there are often odd number of petals which makes them look very beautiful.
Yes, Babu.
Amma, yesterday in class we learned how to arrange dots to show numbers. These numbers can be arranged in a triangular form and they are called triangular numbers. Amma, can you please pass me the coconut shell? Let me show you.
Sure, Babu.
Thank you. 1 dot in the first row, 2 dots in the next, and 3 in the last one. It's like building a staircase with numbers. Here's a challenge for you, Papa and Amma. Can you tell me the next triangular number?
Amma, I know the answer for this. It's 10. We can do this in seconds.
Let me show you. 1 dot in the first row, 2 in the next, 3 in the next, and 4 in the last one.
Yes, Amma, we did it.
well, that was quick.
I think we can arrange the dot in the same manner to form squares.
Yes, Kavya. These are called square numbers. 1, 4, 9 and 16. These are all square numbers. Can you tell me the next 3 square numbers?
I'm not sure. 25, then 36,
And the next number is 49.
yes, Amma, 49. Thank you, Amma.
Good job, Amma.
Thank you.
See, Pavitra, even in nature, the patterns came together to create something beautiful. Look at that arrangement of sunflower.
Is it? Let me have a closer look. Yes, you're right, Kavu.
Amma, can I have a look?
Yeah, here.
Wow. We learnt about this pattern yesterday. It's known as the Viharanka pattern, in which each number is the sum of the 2 before it. These are also known as Fibonacci numbers.
Amma, I had one question. Why do we use rice flour to make kolam rangoli?
To feed ants and birds. In Tamil Nadu, everyone makes kolam every day using rice flour.
Oh, wonderful.
So we feed ants and birds daily. So, Amma, this means that kolam rangoli helps feed ants and birds and helps us learn pattern and shapes.
Yes.
Today we have found many patterns in kolam rangoli and even in sunflower.
Yes, Kavu. Math is everywhere. In the art we create, in the nature around us, and even the patterns we discover every day.
True, Amma. Every dot, every seed, and every shape has a story to tell.
Yes. In this episode, we explored patterns and numbers through column designs, triangular and square numbers, and nature's wonders like sunflowers. In the next episode, we will discover growing and shrinking patterns in shapes and dive into the fascinating Fibonacci series. Until then, try making kolam at home with dots and create exciting new patterns.